How to create an account in Upscale Media. In order to do that, just head over and click on the sign up right here that you can see on your screen. So the actual Upscale Media is on the link of console.pixelben.io. So from in there, you should be able to see this right here. Now, as you can see, I have just clicked sign up from in there, and this will redirect me to Upscale.media. So by doing this, as you can see, it automatically created an account for me based on my Google account. So this is my Google account right here, and it's been added. So if you want, you can also just use the email, but on some cases, it actually use the Google account automatically in order to create an actual account. So as you can see, it only took me one click and some seconds of loading, which means that I only just spent some few seconds in order to create an account, and I think that's a really good advantage of using this particular AI tool. So that's how you create an account in Upscale Media. Hope we helped.